to Pink Grade. You've learned how to solve equations with addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Now, let's look at equations that use division. This time, we'll use a new technique, one that makes solving easier and clearer. Take a breath with me. Let's begin. Let's try one. Here we have x divided by 4 equals 8. Now, when you see division written like this, from left to right, using the division symbol, I want you to rewrite it using the fraction form. We write it as x over 4 equals 8. This helps us solve more easily, because using the fraction form makes it much simpler to cancel common factors and isolate the variable. Now that it's rewritten, let's solve it. We can see that the variable is not by itself because it's being divided by 4. How can we undo that division? Yep, we undo division with multiplication. So we multiply both sides of the equation by 4. And instead of using the multiplication sign, we'll use parentheses. So now we write 4 in parentheses next to the fraction. We place the number 4 in parentheses next to the variable over 4, showing that 4 is being multiplied by the entire fraction. And we do the same thing on the other side. We multiply 8 by 4 using parentheses to show the multiplication. Now, let's simplify. On the left side, remember, 4 can be written as 4 over 1, so it's clear that it's in the numerator or on top. The 4's cancel. That leaves just x on the left. On the right, 8 times 4 equals 32. So the final answer is x equals 32. And the equation is solved. One more example. The variable divided by 3 equals 9. Now we multiply both sides by 3. Use parentheses. On the left, 3 times the variable over 3. The 3's cancel, leaving the variable. On the right, 9 times 3 equals 27. So the variable equals 27. This one can be tricky. And now, a twist. 5 equals the variable divided by 2. Even though the variable is on the right side, we treat it the exact same way. Now we multiply both sides by 2 using parentheses. On the right, the 2's cancel. The variable stands alone. On the left, 5 times 2 equals 10. So, the variable equals 10. Direction doesn't matter. Balance does. Let's recap. When you see division, rewrite the equation as a fraction. Then, use multiplication with parentheses to cancel the denominator. That sets the variable free. This method is clear, and it works every time. Watch next, how to solve two-step equation. And if this helped you feel calm and confident in math, subscribe to Pink Grade and keep going.